If you don't like the new liquid glass or tinted apps icon on iOS 27, you can easily switch back to the classic colorful icons in just a few seconds. So as you can see, our home screen looks a bit dull and all the apps icons are grayed out, which makes them harder to recognize at a glance. So now to change it, you just have to tap and hold on any empty area of your home screen and then tap edit button in the top left corner and select customize. So here we'll see all the icon customization option. Now to switch back to the original colorful apps icon, just simply tap default. This will restore the classic app icons, and if you prefer a darker look, you can also choose dark instead. And that's it. Your home screen will now look much closer to the classic iPhone style and apps will be much easier to find. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes 9 till end.